90 minutes up already. We're doing 4 additional minutes. Golden kick. Gives away possession. Entry. Kotoko goes down. There's a shout for a penalty, and Adari has whistled for a penalty. Interesting. And Fifi Pakanson is only applauding the decision. But this is a controversial call.
Controversial, could make the head.
He approves the decision is taken.
And that was it. That was it. I think that was a clean save, but he had his hands to it. And there's nothing penalty about that. Nothing penalty about that.
Golden kicker protesting a penalty taken against them. Was it a good call or not? Yes, so the decision will stand.
With all the weight on his shoulders.
It's Kwame Opoku against Kelvin Kofi Saba. Kwame Opoku scores beautifully. Cheeky goal. And this might just be the goal that sends Kotoko into continental club football next season. It's Opoku on the double. Kotoko 2, golden kick 1.
Calmly as you like, coolly, as cheeky as it can be, and the referee will have a lot to do there, because the protest from the golden kick players, especially penalties, I've ever seen. Just look at that. Hardly took any step backwards, right behind the ball, and the finesse with which he hit that one. Just look at that. So simple. Saba
penalty.
had already taken a dive, and there was no chance for him at all.